Hi, my name is Morgan Thorne and I'm a BDSM educator. Thank you for your interest in the foot torture and bastinado class. In this workshop, we are going to talk about different types of foot torture and, of course, bastinado, which is the caning of feet. We will talk about the anatomy and the safety that you need to be aware of in order to engage in these kinks safely. We'll get you started with some basic bondage and positioning so that you can keep your victim nice and still while you have your fun. We'll also talk about little tips and tricks to increase the sensitivity of your bottom's feet. And I'll teach you 8 different techniques to try, along with a bunch of demonstrations. I'm also going to give you some ideas for advanced play so that once you've mastered the basics, you can move on to bigger and better things and really make your victim scream. I'll have all the information you need to sign up for the class available on the screen and down below. So thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope to see you in class.